Well, I got woke up this morning with slamming doors and police sirens. Not really a mind game, so I turned on the Radio 2 News, and Boris is under lockdown again. And he's talking about the reset. So, let's just have a chat with the landlords now, because they left me a little message, didn't they, that I've got to respond to. Okay, I got left a answer phone message by a guy called Chris on Friday afternoon, just before the end of the workday, because I was supposed to be thinking about it all weekend, wasn't I? Well, apologies are nothing, are they? Yeah, apparently he was worried about things that I said. Or things that were said. That was what the answer phone message was. I put the message online anyway so other people could hear it, because a journalist is keeping an eye on the situation about installing equipment, surveillance equipment inside people's homes. That's right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Gets put on hold. Oh, that was quick. Oh, so he's not got up yet. Is he working from home, maybe? Oh, you're all working from home now, just like Boris. How funny. Whole country's being shut down, innit? Yeah, yeah. So how's his covert surveillance bill going then? How's Boris's covert surveillance bill going with your surveillance equipment in the homes? Oh, he's in hiding now. That's why he's locked up, innit? I'm just commenting on the news I heard this morning. I found it very hilarious. So that's the Queen and the Prime Minister now locked down. Anyway, what did he want to? What was he worried about then? He said something about the words that I used or things that were said, when all I asked was to remove your surveillance equipment from inside my home. Or not my home, because I don't call it my home anymore. I call it my living space. Because it's not a home anymore, is it? This country. No, that's well. You can get the phone call if you want. I'll put it online because I record everything now, like you do. Well, I come and go really because I'm a free man and I don't need to be in lockdown, do I? Like all the other idiots. When the people made their way into my property after banging on the door like policemen at 9 o'clock in the morning, which is kind of funny, bearing in mind that it's been happening ever since. But I'm playing along with your games. So what I'm going to do is wait until he contacts me again, and then I'm going to put that message online as well. Because, like I said, a journalist is interested in the story about how the government are installing surveillance equipment inside people's homes under this no covert surveillance bill. And the landlords are being paid to do it and forcing tenants to accept it. So I don't know what worried him about the words that were said. Maybe it's the exposure of the collusion and corruption. No, I know you don't. I'm just speaking for your recording like you're speaking for mine. You see now? Well, if I'm in, I'm in. If I'm not, just leave a message. But don't come banging on my door if your equipment fails, will ya? Yep, no problem at all. Thank you very much for your help this morning. Yeah, I don't give out any emails or mobile number because they're all being surveilled anyway, so I don't need to. Oh, trust me, I'm going to because I'm laughing my head off at the moment. I'm well looking forward to the new year. All right, then you have a lovely day yourself. That's no problem. You take care now. Bye bye. Oh. So green light means it's working. No light means it's damaged. And the sensors inside it are damaged. Oh dear. Right. Now we've got the silly game out the way that they're playing with me, I'm going to go and ground. You want to go in the garden, baby girl? Come on in, I've had my coffee, I'm still stumbling about. Right. Yeah, I know. I put them there last night because my bedroom light was on. And my back door lock, that wasn't like it. Which I always do. So I'll put them on there to give me an early warning. Because this is the only lock barrel I haven't changed, remember. So that's why I didn't bother checking it. Because I left them away in. There you go, good girl. And the sirens start as soon as I step out my back door. How fun is that? Oh dear. Ooh, that's a bit cold on the feet this morning. Roxy, go toilet, ignore them. Get away from his filth. Get away from his filth. Go to the toilet. Roxy, go to the toilet. Good girl. Go on, go to the toilet. She's doing a poo circle. Go on in. Good girl. Nice touch though, the police siren, as soon as I stepped out the back door. So woke up by police sirens. Open the back door, get police sirens. You see how it's going to go today, can't you? Come on. Trying to ramp up the fear level about court, aren't they? Mind games. See, I said about my sleep problems, didn't I, to the solicitor? And said, well, if I can attend court that time in the morning, I will do. But if not, if I'm not allowed to sleep properly, then obviously I can't. I was told, oh, you'll be arrested. Oh, will I now? So you're all eating from the same trough, aren't you? I don't trust none of you now. I know what the setup's about. So I don't really give a shit anymore. I exposed something, and then I was set up to cover up their crime. Oh dear, right, let's turn that one on and turn the other one off. Oh dear. I've had one cup of coffee today because 2 coffees yesterday was overriding the amitriptyline. But I seem to have woke up in a better mood this morning rather than reacting to it because I knew what they was up to. Just sensed it and my instincts told me straight away what they was doing. The same as when I know my animals were being poisoned and no one listened after I was gassed. So, yeah, it was attempted murder by Mr. Graham Murphy next door. So that's attempted murder by Mr. Graham Murphy next door. I've got dead dogs as well. So, yeah, he's a poisonous little bitch, isn't he? And her at the back. watching what time my curtains open, that sort of shit. So I'm just going to flip the bird again. And deny them any sight. Trousers keep falling down. Best put a belt in them. Other phone. Do 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 do. Oh, let's get a bit of light on the situation here. There you go, Roxy. God, yeah. Belts in the other jeans that I was wearing on the bike, and well, haven't got round to changing that yet. Oh dear. Let's have the telly on as well. You know, plasma screen to kick up a bit of heat. A little bit chilly on the toes outside today. Barefooting, grounding. Oh, that's record time is fucking hell, we got 21 minutes this time. Right, so that's the landlord has dealt with their silly answer phone message. Now I know what the game is, I can put a stop to it. So, BB. Yeah. I've got a joke to tell my father. So UK's been getting ice catted by Ice Cat, and now the Prime Minister's actually hiding. How funny. Hiding like the Queen. Because he's been exposed and the people are angry. So he's talking about the reset. The Prussian reset. Is there someone trying to peek through the window? Is there again, Roxy? So soon. Let's see what energy's been registered on the Schumann monitor first thing. So we've had the line that's been drawn. We've got a complete gap there. And now it's starting to add levels again. So it's building for something. But they're playing games, aren't they? So how will the slider react? That's what they're trying to find out. That's what all the poking, provoking is about. Because they're trying to make someone afraid before January. before the court case. And someone ain't afraid to go and meet his creator. And the creator ain't the judge or the crown, is it? Because I simply don't care what they want to try and do with their setup. It's not going to work. So, let's see how it plays out now. Because all this is being monitored, isn't it? How are we doing in the earthquake situation in the UK? Let's have a look. 10 o'clock Monday morning. No, nothing changed on them. I'll see on the other one. Ugh. So I'm only going back to midnight.